Sondiko butane torch. Long angled nozzle, keeping the flame away from fingers to prevent burns. Safety lock against unexpected firing. Airflow regulator dial, easy to adjust the size flame. Aluminum alloy body, safe and durable, longer life. Turn the switch to open and press the button to light. Turn the button clockwise during ignition to keep the flame on. With piezoelectric ignition technology, it is easy to operate the torch at any angle. Turn the button again.
So blue, me pressing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love you won't ever be alone, my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. Completely a fool. Been waiting for you, my love. Head over heels, I'm blinded by what I feel. My love is forever yours.
The aqua blue torch has powerful double flame, can easily adjust the flame size with one hand, and butane gas can be filled through the filling hole at the bottom of torch. It will be a great helper in your life.